Welcome to Motion Bonbons. I'm Melinda, and today I'll be showing you a little trick that you can use in Procreate. As you can see, I have drawn Linda and Bob from Bob's Burgers using the symmetry tool, but that's not what we're going to be looking at today. Today I would like to show you how you can drag and drop your color palette to have it on your working space instead of going back and forth here and choosing it and changing it. So what you want to do is open up the color selection tool, and as you can see, I have a few color palettes already saved and named. I have Portrait 2, Portrait 1, Linda and Bob. Now as you can see, there's a little white tick in a blue circle next to Bob, which means that his color palette is now active. So logically you would want to drag and drop the color palette from here onto your workspace, but it's not going to work like that. What you want to do is go right up here to the palettes word and just hold your eye pencil, tap it and just hold it there, and then from then on you can drag and drop it anywhere you want to, either on your artwork or next to it. And this way you have all the colors right at your fingertips. So this means you don't have to go back and forth here. Now if you want to change this color palette, let's say to Linda, we're going to go back here, choose Linda. Now normally you would say, okay, I'm just going to tap here and then Linda will be the active palette. But as you can see, Procreate just gives you the option to rename the palette when you do that, and that's not what we're looking for right now. So in order to move the little tick in the blue circle up to Linda, you will have to tap on one of these colors. See? And now the little tick in the blue circle is there, which means that Linda's color palette is now active. Again, you won't be able to drag and drop it from here. You will have to go up here to the word palettes and do it from there. Again, wherever it feels comfortable. So now we have Linda's colors active for us. It is that simple. So again, just a little recap. You have to first make the color palette that you want to use active by clicking on any of the colors of that palette. So now we're going to have this one active. Go up here, hold your eye pencil down and just drag and drop it wherever you need it. It's that simple. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel not to miss any further ones. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.